Hello, in this video I want to show you how to make macro photos with Motorola Edge 40. To do this, we'll need to open our camera. Then in the photo mode there's a macro right here, click on it. Now lift your phone and place the camera or object 4 to 5 centimeters away from the camera, from each other. And then also make sure that your object has a very good light. When everything is ready, click on the shutter and try to be as stable as possible when taking a photo. And here it is. That's how you take a macro photo. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.